What's up, everybody? I actually saw this video online of this guy changing his belt out in like 5 seconds with a flathead screwdriver, so I thought I probably should give that a try. I've actually been having problems with the belt anyways, you know, squeaking and doing its bad belt thing. I don't know why. I think it's because I'm constantly trying to tighten the belt with the belt on, just tightening this 19mm bolt right here, or nut. I tried spacers and everything, but I don't know. I saw this video online and thought, hey, that might be cool to make a video of and attempt that. So here's my attempt. Alright, I got my flathead screwdriver. There's these little ridges in the back of the belt, so you can get this flathead screwdriver back here and then twist it around until you find a screw. Got my 19mm. Alright, let's tighten it up. Alright, I'm ready to turn the engine on and attempt to fling this thing on while the engine's running. Here we go. Well, that was super cool. I can't believe that actually worked out. So, new way of putting a belt on your Volkswagen Beetle. If you liked it, great. If you want to give it a try and leave some comments and let me know how it goes, even better. Thanks for watching.